Kajing pensange kebesendat ke sengis dang jong ketamasa cherry blossom nama kajing sha Pynthut haki bor kamariang kelawan ra ru kajing do nong ke crowd jong kinong shong dukan ki bla shimwai ki dukan hapo kete ke jaka penlong kane ketamasa haka bala don ru wa kajing ut na ki try dukan ki bla wai rem kini ki dukan tang namar kajing bamla ban penbiang ki jing don kam badai ban penbiang da kinong penya kane ketamasa Lakban kedaw hang ni baki nong penyat jang ketamasa cherry blossom kilahap an pensangi no ikajing stang ya kani ketamasa ka khanyu terik unai we nama kajing ther ulap ba hapo ka Bay of Bengal ka balak ta ru ya ka benta jang kathan chate lamingi kumju ka jela Meghalaya Wala kinong penyat jang kani ketamasa kila kular ban penpai ya ka buy ticket jang kitu ki bla thiet ya ka ticket bat ru ban ailat ban pendon kam ya ka ticket bla thiet haka khanyu terik ban rung haka khat pra bat khat khandai nai weng Hynrei klami pat ka jing ut jing nam bat ka jing yam rem hapring kinong shong dukan ki bla shimwai ki dukan bala shna ka te ka jaka ha Madan kurkalang da ka bakan tho ru bawat la ka jing shim wai da ka dor ka barem Hynrei kinong penyat jang kani ketamasa kim shim la penbet penbiang ki jingdon kam hakini ki dukan nakaliang ki katu kat ningut kinong shong dukan haba ut halor ka jingmat ka jongki menta ka sngis dang jong ka cherry blossom kilapen pau batang na kadaw ka jing pensange ikene ka sngis dang jong ka tamasa kila haban mat ka jingdo nong ka bakraw na markim shim na yo bande ki jingde jongki khamtam ki babu dukan bam ba pher Napedeng kinong shong dukan kila penpau ru bawat la kila sir ka dor ka barem ban shong dukan hapo ka jaka ban penlong kani ka tamasa Hynrei ki bor penya jang kani ka tamasa kim shim la penbiang ki jingdon kam khamtam kum ka jing da na ka jing hap uslam nama buntli ki dukan kila jielut nama ka jing pei jang ki jing care bat ru kam shim la don ka jing penbiang lupa banda na uslam ba kumju bun ki bedi marbam kila do nong tang namar ka jing bam penbiang ki refrigerator ban bu iki do par ki jhur ki jhem ban light na ka jing pun bala thiet lupa na ka benta lai sngi jong kani ka tamasa
Dera na dumina. El pan dumin min step bagi position ya. Ningkong ki email ba first come first serve. To perkhat kan ki buan na san baje san steng. Ki bakwa ningkong khamat. Kata ka di jinglong beriau jingi bero. Ningkong ni khamat banla bande. Ngam tho tang yang ane nu ru tumalong kaba kham kloi long kham ba am te maria po yang ni ya do arrange lupa. To melai. Kata kila adab ngimla ama banai ai. Tengi ada siung ada biai ada biai. Te plus ketangi tap tiar ngilawan buat tiar ngipoi kanu beje. Khat ar steng na gimsa rung shu. Ngin hab banyang adolai beje. Dengila yang dolai beje kyong abdo fra beje. Te fra beje ki ta kain pigan. Wan du shlang kin man da really ki bachuai. Te ki bon ra kali la jong isokyo makila banyang ne ab sokontaro. Te ki bachuai kan. Kin hab yang te do fra beje men met. Na dolai beje kin poi. Kata kamdi ta kabasuk nakapisangin hapon pulun haning la pulun di po aja apply intan ra yimeneng isyo bet no tu messenger wang banginde messenger ba nong ban stop nak event kata mene kata sport sa baje san baje ya plus kataru aning nur fi ban shat matangnya tu hak ndir tanga ngatarai baro kibashat kishat ma lawan la tan lem no hafshat am bomnut hira kinshat kum no lor khti sudah tingin ngin yu ning ni shat na ngin ya bam ngin ai pa ba avai la jong rum nur ban bam la de ki fauta hajar ta berkat fikan datit menta tang kador kan no kilo tang kado masih di batit ki badan do bad di do masih ane ki bashan tang do masih kan san 5 kilo kan ni ki event himot ngin thi tang kilo ye tarai kan no kilo seteng ya bantian ya ban prepare plus kata ka fridge ki one rubber singi ka plus kata ro ka fridge ki ong ba ki ka mention apa email ngi bakin ong ban off ya kalai dalam men temenen ngin haban ya karan mon ong ohnya ka kalait bangin yo bu friza tangi lai singiting chanu ngile chri shilong bani titing tian kita tama minen ngi ki ong problem Yo sino kan ba. Ang iya ba la ka jong. To perkat ini perkat so jing sa ba no man yo ru minut. Ina sa mna ba to man yo ru minut.
Man kren namar ya kaba kastol shoni kong si kajing ai jong kastol e kum tu lala poi baslap kum tu menne tingi na do batia menen me la slap em la na do shlong te tharai ngi la kermen em kum tu ba le se tharai la slap te mat kisa ker king ka tu ka pat long kitchen gen ta sha khamat te lawan hang ni tingin poi perkhat ban hapra ta ka terpal mon namar ba la siu kastol ar bolai hajar te ladi banwan kentup lang em barok kita nala poi hang ni terpal Rukom care nalo kata to nala adep kata ko install basya khamat ru katuru kala pe left right center ya katuru lak hotchis pasin kawai ru mdan hire kita ki organizers ki ba long min bari banwan ban keli ba kalong kumno ngi complain shi pasin ba nang tu nak khamat ru pe shadin rum dan jingker at least em long long ngi la long la prepare na do menin la siu ko by stall ru ka barem at least long na lian juki ki la di ban ong tong le si de ki ai tang tu ka terpal ka ba he ru long at least kala cover te 4 stalls timenta bento you can fipan ka FSSAI license shed ha ka kti te kumno ken ki bri ban pej room no chure ban mangiru ban shed room no chure namar bakal along hadu kat ni ka condition ta shis pasin ngila ong ba you one ple katuka kani katuka stall mana khamat bala alik room dan re ba pushi kata mo te at least kum na ki organizers ru kila so tho ba ngathai maki te beforehand kila tip hi ba like kini ki het te kila tip hi am ba tharai ka event kala ban cancel ne kum no at least long before 12 la dan namar ba kidan ba wan kum tu kham slam at least ki batai before 12 longi bala prepare ha to podong at least ngi sange no ru long dang biang te Hynrei hadut la de prepare with everything by 4 o'clock not even 4 try what time they informed us that the show was cancelled yeah after 4:30 so after 4:30 baro everything all preparation has been done they long in bread shaking kabam okay say and again predictions for tomorrow 100% is going to rain tementa again half day tomorrow we come and prepare before 12 and everything is prepared and then now again at 4:05 they'll come and tell us that the show is cancelled singin le akum no so who will cover all the expenses which we have lost today and tomorrow so main is kabam sho ngin habret ementa ngin le akum no ngimla ban le e bala de prepare and I'm sure most of the stalls not most all of the stalls are they prepare lut hi because hado 4:30 temo ki wan ban inform te mot ngin le akum no kan tementa they have to come and at least the don't away ru I mean they're just sending messengers to tell us they ba the audacity be done but not even one from the head at least to come and production team to come and tell us ba okay we'll come up with a better come up with a solution no solution nothing just sending a messenger ban ong ba kumta the show is cancelled te long ngi lalong be we're still like stranded and also we're still like is it really cancelled because we're not even sure but kito one ong ngi ru kidai na organizing team na nang nungim tip re so ngidang long hanging in the air but what should we do so at least what I'm saying is at least from the organizing team they should come and tell us kabamentasi la dep but then at least come up with a solution whether what to do with the stalls the payments that we have made and also for tomorrow so now they can't come and tell us okay sure because most of the with us around yakitu ki volunteers ne ke gitu even though they're not sure but then long bapli long maki rukim tip ya kata mo tamaki ong ba the show is on tomorrow tementa now so like so ngi don that hope that little hope that okay maybe the show is on tomorrow but prediction says that 100% is going to rain and now if we come and prepare shubo by 12 by one day barok ki stores ade ban prepare and then again at 4 o'clock they come and tell us now who will bear all that expenses and for today's expenses for the stall expenses manu ban bear kita barok te so that we want an answer from the organizing team can at least come and talk to us give us be straightforward it's fine be it whatever it is at least come be straightforward talk to us tell us what's going to happen what's the plan for tomorrow if it if because kiti kintip no the high level they'll know, right? Balashai can cancel ne no, who knows? Minta yoki artist given one one. And then now what? Now so the show is supposed to be for 3 days. So we've prepared for 3 days, right? Suppose if they extend, I'm just saying. Now if they extend to Monday, nobody will come, right? It's a working day. Monday is a working day. Who will come? So that's the thing. Like at least, we're requesting anybody from the organizing team who's taking care. So please come and at least talk to us, give us a solution on how we're gonna do it for tomorrow or for day after or whatever. So
National event, okay, it's also representing our state, and the way they have organized, it's like they haven't planned properly for it. Regarding the stalls also, right from the allotment of stalls, they have been very professional in their emails and all, but when it comes to action in the real place, no one is there to talk to. If there's any problem, we don't have anyone to go to. Also, the stalls that they have made, as per the emails, what they have promised to us, they have not delivered that. They said the stalls will be having ample of space to cooking, and then there will be provision for proper safety and everything. They have prepared all the stalls with jute. Just imagine if there's some mishaps and all the stalls get burned. That will be a blunder, right? And also, they should have taken care of the rain and all. I mean, they cannot stop the rain from coming, but they can do something that can prevent the stalls from getting damaged and all. Also, the equipments, everything has been spoiled. So who will bear all those losses for us? The food has been prepared. They should have informed from the morning that the plan is going to be cancelled, the event is going to be cancelled. They are informing after 4:30. So that's not the way how these international events should be done in the state. That's all that I have to say. Arena place immediately. They do not listen to us, what we do about the food, when should we go. They're not letting us bring the cars inside to take the things. So it's not this is not the way how things should work. Yeah.
So what is this?
And not taken it in a hasty decision, right? Okay, we should cancel today, or they should have prepared properly regarding the stalls. However, the stalls are going to be set up, how they should have protected the stalls from the rain. That's very important, because see, I'm not asking them to stop the rain, but they could have done something to prevent the stalls from getting damaged, right? Negotiated, but also they should cover for the losses that we've suffered from the food and all. It's not just about the rent, because see, we also know that things might happen, but they should also come and talk to us. Not much, just come and talk to us and give a solution, how should we go about things.